When an hobbyist enters this monster fish keeping hobby, first fish which comes to his mind is an arowana. Arowana, the dragon fish, the water monkey. Budget एक बात रहता है, tank accommodation and also its maintenance. Which arowana to buy as a beginner and how an Asian arowana is better than a silver arowana and vice versa. Let's start off with today's video. Hi, hello, namaskar, namaste, salam, walaikum, shashikal to everyone. Welcome to another episode of Rahul's Aquatic Vlogs. Guys, I hope you all are doing well. Arowanas are one of the most favorite fishes of mine, and I have kept arowana for quite a while, and I have got to learn a lot of things जो शायद books में या फिर like in internet we don't get much, but I'll tell you about those secrets. Now, whenever we are going first for a arowana fish, first thing which comes to our mind is a silver arowana. Why do we think silver arowanas are the beginner arowana fish? Just because of the budget, believe me. Because a silver arowana 4 to 5 inch size will cost you around 600-700 rupees according to the Indian market over here. अभी जब ये बजट पे आता है तब लोग थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्ट करके लोग खरीद लेते हैं. Because Asian arowanas generally start from around, I would say 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 इस रेंज से स्टार्टिंग होता है, depending upon which place you live in India. अभी जब इतना बजट से जब इतना कम बजट का कुछ मिलता है, we get attracted and buy it first. Now, I would say कि go for an Asian arowana as a beginner, because arowanas, as their name, it is water monkeys. Now, Asian arowana, Asian origin का है, and this silver arowana is of South American origin, that is from the Amazon forest. When वो लोग Amazon forest में रहता है पानी में, उन लोग का source of food क्या होता है? That is मछली हो, पंछी हो, insects हो, ये सब ही उन लोग को खाना मिलता है. Now, to catch a bird or catch an insect from a tree जिसका ब्रांच शायद ऊपर में ऐसा है, अरवाना पानी से कूद के सीधा उसको पकड़ता है, and that is why they are called as water monkeys. ये कूदना, ये जंप करना उन लोग का जेनेटिक्स पे लिखा हुआ है. They will jump. कुछ भी देखेगा टैंक के ऊपर, they will try to jump and attack it. So क्या होता है जब एक नया हॉबिस्ट ऐसा एक सिल्वर अरवाना घर पे रख रहा है, एंड थोड़ा सा क्या होता है when we are keeping new fishes, कभी कभी हम लोग से नेग्लिजेंसी हो जाता है कि हम लोग ढकना थोड़ा सा खोल के रख दिया, या फिर ढकना थोड़ा टाइट से नहीं लगाया, या फिर ओपन ढकना किसी दिन रख के छोड़ के चला गया. नेक्स्ट इन मॉर्निंग यू विल सी द फिश जंप्ड एंड लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, सूख के मर के पड़ा हुआ है. सिल्वर अरवाना का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा हुआ है बहुत लोगों के साथ. मैक्सिमम डेथ्स ऑफ सिल्वर अरवाना व्हिच ऑकर्स, I have heard, that is maximum due to jumping out of the tank. Overnight पानी नहीं मिला, मर गया. So ये कूदने के वजह से है. So क्या होता है as a novice hobbyist, ये गलतियां हम लोग कर ही सकते हैं. Because without mistakes we can't learn, but with such mistakes there is loss of life involved. Hence I would say कि silver arowana initially ना लेने के लिए. Asian arowana on the other hand उतना jump नहीं करता है just like a silver arowana. एक बार क्या हुआ कि मेरा यहाँ पे एक टैंक था that had an Asian arowana over there. Now मैं overnight वो ढकना को मैं खोल के चला गया था, but next day when I came over here I saw that the fish was intact. It didn't jump. So I was very scared at that point, and later when I saw that everything was fine, I thanked God, like everything is fine. But that is the thing, like if it would have been a silver arowana, it might not would have given you this chance, because once they see something flying up in the above the aquarium, or might be it sees something crawling here and there, it will try to attack it and think because that's a food. Next point is adding tank mates. Whenever we are having an arowana, within a few weeks or days or even month later, we think कि उसके अंदर कुछ tank mates डालना है, be it Oscar, be it Peacock Bass, be it Fire Eel, be it Dactynoids, be it anything. Now the problem with Asian Arowana is that once we put in tank mates and अगर वो Asian Arowana उस tank पे dominated हो गया है, set in that tank, it won't allow any other tank mates to accommodate in that tank. That becomes a very big problem. But in case of silver arowanas, when you are putting in tank mates, the chances of adaptability to the tank mates is very much higher. They accept tank mates without problem. कर लेते हैं, कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम करता है, but that can be like rectified with time. But एशियन अरवाना में बहुत दिक्कत ये होता है, once they get set and they know that they are the king of that tank, they won't allow a single fish to be there. It will beat, eat and try to मार देगा मछली को. So that is why whenever you are introducing new fishes to your arowana tank, when you are having Asian arowana, add it beforehand itself. बाद में नहीं, पहले से ऐड कर दो. Then introduce the Asian arowana. You have to be very planned. Plan करके you have to do. And in silver arowana, just remember it shouldn't fit in the mouth. Same with the Asian arowana also. जब भी ऐड करो silver arowana के tank में, just see the fish is not that small that silver arowana will directly take it in the mouth and eat it up. Because ऐसा करके बहुत मछली silver arowana या फिर कोई भी arowana खा जाता है. And same like Asian arowana also, Jardini arowanas also have the same tendency, but I would say Jardini arowanas are best to give single tank fish. Because वो लोग पहले से भी तो बाद में तो like थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा टाइप का फिश है. They don't allow tank mates at any point. I feel personally I have seen, and कभी-कभी exception happens, you never know. But technically speaking, single tank fish, Jardini is the best. They won't accept any other tank mates in their tank. Now, so taking all this whole, I would say, you got all the reasons. Properly plan बनाओ when you're having a arowana tank. Plan बना के start off with an Asian arowana, कम budget का हो like Banja Red, which starts around 5-6,000, और थोड़ा सा budget बढ़ा के अगर एक Red Tail Golden arowana भी रख लो तो भी चलेगा. And main thing is that you have to keep a good filtration system, which is very important. And tanning etc. ये सब के बारे में I'll talk later. So guys, that was the video for today. Hope you have learned something from this video, and write it down in the comment section down below. What else do you think and what else do you want me to tell about arowanas? I would love to know which arowana do you own and do you agree to whatever I said. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then surely hit the like button over there and share this video with your friends and family. Guys, take care. Bye. See you. Meet you in my next episode. Bye bye.